might ask you a question here. Oh, isn't that right? Okay, so now we're going to do scenario 6, and we're actually going to do this as a class because, I don't know, I just don't think you can do putting construction paper on each one. Okay, so what's up with the construction paper? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take a block and we want to have it first drag it on its widest side, then in the middle would be like the second. This one has the most area, this one has the middle, and this one has the least. But if you notice, the surface type on a block of wood is very, very different depending on whether you're on this side or this side. And even on this side, so none of them are the same. Good scientific techniques means we need to keep the same surface type if we're going to vary the area, so I put construction paper on them. Okay, so that's the setup. Now let's collect the data. So we're going to start with the, and I'll explain what that was. We're going to start with the widest surface area. We're going to put a block on it. One hexagonal mass on it. And now we're going to take our trials for, looking at max static friction versus surface area. So you've done this technique, you will have done this technique before. So we start and we're basically going to pull until it breaks, pull until it breaks, relax, pull until it breaks, relax. And there's our 3 sets of data. Now, because I'm going to be posting this on our class website, I'm going to just store that. And so that's what you're going to use. So this is the widest surface area, or the largest surface area. Then we're going to switch, and now we're going to go to the medium. And I think we should actually measure this at some point. So I'll have these blocks out and you can measure it. I can't remember what it says. But basically this is the medium one. Now, because it actually is not the same mass, I have to actually add a little bit. And in that case, I'm going to add this extra washer, brings it till about, so these have the same mass. Okay, but I'm also going to stack that extra hexagonal mass on there, or the 1. And we're going to take this data. It's upside down. Yeah. Can't do anything about it.
No, the block's upside down.
I know that. Thank you very much. I have, yes, you're right. Very good. I just want to see if anybody was going to notice. Yes, that would have been important. That would have been very important. Okay, here we go. I'm not flustered. Pull, release, pull, release, pull, release. Okay, so blue is the medium. I'm going to save that because you're going to be analyzing that. Store latest run. Okay, yes. Thank you, Sean. That would have been a silly video if it isn't already. Okay, so that takes care of this medium area. Now we're going to go for the smallest area. It's only a little bit less, it only has a little bit less mass than the first one, so I'm going to add this little bit of mass here to bring it up to about the same. Now, this one's a little tricky because I can't add the mass on the side. Well, whatever. So I'll just do the best I can here. There's probably a way to do this, but I can't figure it out. There we go. So this one I'm not real happy with. I probably should have had 2 masses on each one, and I may redo it because this is going to cause it to twist a little bit, and I don't want that. But I can't think about it on the fly here. So here we go. We're going to collect this data. Stored these. Okay, so now we're going to collect it. And 3 tugs. Pull, pull. See, I don't like that. We have to redo the whole darn video. Ah!
You should redo it anyway.
Yeah, we're just going to redo this one. But I think I'm just going to pull it like that. It doesn't matter. So that's going to be the orientation. It doesn't matter. It doesn't affect the result. So that's how we're going to do it. We're going to get rid of green. We're going to just overwrite that one. So here we go. This is the real one. Okay. pull till it moves, release. Pull, release. Pull, release. Okay, and there's your data. This will be posted online. Store, latest run. And so what you'll be able to do is, you'll scroll through and get your values for the different trials. I believe red was the big area, blue was the in-between, and green was the small. That's it. So you're going to get your data for scenario 6 off this data. Goodbye. Yeah, thank you.